At Rippa, we are setting new standards in the machinery industry with cutting-edge, high-quality solutions tailored to meet the needs of businesses worldwide. Our commitment to innovation and excellence drives us to deliver reliable, efficient machinery that enhances your operations and boosts your success. One 2015 certification and have achieved numerous quality certifications, including CE, EPA, and Euro 5, underscoring our commitment to superior manufacturing standards. We provide extensive customization options, ensuring that our products meet your specific needs. Our after-sales support is comprehensive, including a 1-2-year warranty, free service, and the expertise of dispatched engineers. We also offer warranties that guarantee the quality and reliability of our machinery. Our team consists of over 1,000 dedicated professionals, including 50 specialized engineers, 8 senior engineers, and 30 senior technicians, all working together to drive innovation and deliver exceptional results. Rippa, customer-focused, innovation-driven.